Hey traders, welcome to 𝗬𝗃𝗿𝗆's weekly Forex forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, along with a lot of Forex pairs. In addition to that, we will cover US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. We will give you some Forex trading tips which will help you with your trading. Now, due to many queries regarding our services, here we have summarized it all for you. And below is what you will get in our upgraded service. So if you are interested, check the link in the description below. Keep watching until the end, we have a bonus tip for you. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to 𝗬𝗃𝗿𝗆's channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. We hope all of you made money last week. And those of you who are new to 𝗬𝗃𝗿𝗆's channel, subscribe to not miss any upcoming forecast. Now regarding the XY, all of you know we are waiting this corrective structure. Yes, this was a downtrend, and the trend is your friend, but not always. You should know when to go with the trend and when you should wait a reversal. And wave analysis, if you learn it correctly, can give you that edge. If any one of you is buying the XY, you move your stops and let market unfold. What next? After the completion of this wave, we are waiting a corrective move downwards before the next up wave. So next for the XY, we are expecting a corrective structure downwards and then another up move. Even last week, guys, it was the last week of the month. And there was a lot of news events. We gave our members who are subscribing to our Sunday sessions 2 trades. And the 2 trades were dollar yen and pound yen. And both of them went up. So while the XY was falling, dollar yen was going up. And again, this is the power of wave analysis, market structure, and understand when the news can affect the market so you can take advantage of it. Euro dollar for this one, we hope a lot of you are selling this. And if you are in the sell, now you must be in profits. What to do? You take partial profits and you move the rest at break even. So in this way, no matter what the market will do, you will end up winning. Alright? And Forex trading is not about one event or one move or one trade. It's all about make consistent money every single month. And to do that, you have to have a great understanding of market structure and how usually market behave, and you must have a complete system that gives you an edge, which can give you huge returns if market goes in your direction. And this is exactly, guys, what we have and what we teach. So, for euro dollar, next for this one, corrective structure upwards for another down wave. This is what we can see next for euro dollar. More details regarding this structure and how this can unfold will be covered in details on Sunday session. Now, regarding our upgraded subscription service, you will be getting in-depth analysis of the market on Sunday as live sessions, where we go through the charts in detail, and also we will show you the trades of the week which we think are ready to go. The session will be recorded and the recording will be available for 7 days. A midweek review analysis email will be sent out on every Wednesday at 6 p.m. UK time. If you want to subscribe, all the details are on our website homepage. Pound dollar for this one, we hope all of you guys who trade pound dollar are selling this. This was a clear setup and a clear structure to us. And all of you who are following us and who remember what we said here last week, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Remember, your supportive comments and likes will push us to give you more and more every single week. Where most of retail traders were trapped with this upwave, we said we are expecting a down move. And guys, there is nothing magical here. It's all about experience and understanding market structures. So coming back to pound dollar, this was a great trade. You can take profits or take partial profits. What next? This down wave, guys, it can go all the way down to break this low and this low. And there is a reason behind this forecast. And by the way, we discussed this trade in detail in our trading room live with our private members last week. Anyway, if this wave turns out to be an impulsive wave for corrective structure, one more push down, this can go all the way, guys, to break this low and this low. If you are in, this was more than 200 pips move, and you must be able to make decent profits with this down wave. If you decide to hold, take partial profits and move the rest at break even. Now, those of you guys who want to know what trades we are focusing on for next week, subscribe to our in-depth analysis service. All the details are on our website. Aussie dollar for this one. From here, this was a trade of the week, and a lot of you guys remember this. Not only that, let me repeat this one more time. Go back and check what we said here. We said after this upwave, this might go higher. And market gave us a corrective structure. It went back up. Now let me mention this for you. Wave analysis is not about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, WXYXZ, or any labeling system that you know. Wave analysis is about understanding market structures, Elliott wave, Dow theory, price action, smart money concept, order blocks, and market structures. So those of you who are focusing on labeling, guys, you will be lost. My advice for you, try to understand the market structure and think that labeling is only a roadmap, nothing more than that. Anyway, for Aussie dollar, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up, and then it went back down. So those of you who are in the buy, this was also a great trade. Now, what next? The structure here for Aussie dollar is in the making. So if you are not in, leave it and focus on other pairs. Dollar yen, this was one of the trades of the week. And market went exactly as predicted. Last week was the last week of the month, and usually we do not trade. Even though on our last Sunday session, we mentioned about dollar yen and pound yen. Now, those of you who want to see how we cover trades of the weeks, there is a section on our channel called Shorts. I will leave a link for you in the description under the video. So, for dollar yen, market went up. After this upwave, corrective structure downwards for another up move. At the moment, this is what we can see. A corrective structure downwards. So those who took this buy, this was the trade. You can take profits or take partial profits. And if you made money out of this trade, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And guys, there are a lot of success stories inside our private group. Those of you who will join us for June course, you will see them. New Zealand dollar for this one, market went down. And this is same as Aussie dollar. If you are selling, you move your stops or you take profits. For us, here we can see market will correct upwards for another down wave. So if you are in, all what you have to do is to manage your profits. And guys, this is what called next level in Forex trading. Once you are at a level on how to manage your profits, this is called a next level. So your shift from consisting losing trader to how to manage profits will be amazing. So for New Zealand dollar, corrective structure upwards for another down wave. Pound yen for this one, this was also one of the trades of the week. And market went up here more than 300 pips. And this guy's a big move for those who know how to trade it. So one more time, if you made money out of this upwave, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section if you remember this forecast from our Sunday session. Now, after this upwave, some of our traders were looking for this sell. And those who are in the sell again, you move your stops. What next? We're expecting here then, corrective structure, another down wave. This is what we can see next for pound yen. If you took this buy, this was a great trade. And if you are in the sell, you move your stops and you let market unfold. No matter what market will do, your worst case scenario, it should be small profits or break even. So one more time, this is called managing profits. A lot of retail traders were waiting this one to close above and break above to go for this buy. And this what market did here. Same story in this area and same story in this area. So wave analysis is not only understanding what market makers are doing, is understanding of what retail traders are doing also. And this is where I said to you, wave analysis is understanding the mass psychology of all market participants. Alright? I hope guys those explanations are helping you. Yes, all for this one, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. After this up wave, we start to get a down move. This down move, it might be the start of the next impulsive wave. What I mean by that? If we get a corrective structure here, another down wave to go down and break this low, and even this one. Alright? If this turns out to be the end of the corrective structure, market will be going all the way down to break this low one more time. Do not jump in, do not over risk, and do not overtrade. And remember guys, what we are sharing here is our point of view on what could be the next move in the market and not signals. So I don't want any one of you to be excited to click the trade. Apply your rules, trade your own plan, and trade your own system. If you don't have a system, you must create one or learn one. So coming back to US oil, this is what we can see next for this one. In this one guys, we still have more than one possibility. But all of them shows us at least this down move. Gold for this one, market went up, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. And here we said, this structure it might be changed for another up move. We've got another corrective structure, another up wave. Now, what we are getting here, we are getting a corrective structure. And corrective structures, guys, tends to be complex, especially in commodities. So, in this one, we were tracking this one internally step by step and wave by wave. But all in all, we are biased to the upside. What next? If this turns out to be a corrective structure, another up move. After this up move, we have to follow this structure again. Those of you who are not in, leave it and focus on other pairs. Why? The structure is in the making, and for this one, we can see it going more up here technically, but if dollar will be stronger, this corrective structure, it might take more time. Like I said, those who are not in, you leave it for now. And if we need to take a trade, we might go for the buy setups for gold. 𝗘𝘃𝗿𝗆 for this one, market went in, it gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. Another corrective structure, another drop. Now the bigger picture and the bigger structure for this one is completed. What I mean by this? Any buy setup we see, we might go for it. Alright? If market will give us a buy setup, we will go for the buy setup. But keep in mind, if this up wave is corrective, we are going for another drop. Any new low within this structure will be the potential last low. And if this move, guys, turns out to be an impulsive wave, we are going for 500 to 1000 pips up move. We were waiting our buy setups from these levels. Instead, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back down. So waiting a buy setup doesn't mean jumping in. And even if we have to take a trade here, we know exactly how much we are going to risk. Risk management and money management in Forex trading are very important. And what we also teach is trade management. Like I said, those who are serious about trading, do not miss out our June course. And you don't want to miss, guys, the live sessions. Because the guidance, guys, that we provide during our live sessions is something else. And all of this, guys, is based on our traders' feedbacks, that you can find on our website and on all our social media platforms. Anyway, coming back to dollar CAD, if we get a buy setup, we will go for the buy setup. Euro yen for this one, how many of you guys remember this forecast? Corrective structure, one more push up, one more move down, and then another up wave. The before and after for this one also is posted on all our social media platforms. So follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, TradingView, and Twitter. All the links are in the description under this video. So, Euro yen went up. After this up wave, market starts to give us a down move. And this is normal. And if up till now, guys, you do not believe in the power of wave analysis, you will never do. Alright? So before yen news here, or any euro news from here, we expected this corrective structure, we expected this up wave, we forecasted this down move, and we forecasted this up wave. 3 waves in advance. So what next for euro yen? Corrective structure upwards for another down wave. Those who made profits here in these up waves, you take a break, you leave it, and you focus on other pairs. New Zealand Swiss for this one, market is giving us a corrective structure for another up wave. If we get a buy setup, we might go for this up wave. And all of you remember this forecast from here. And this is the sort of waves, guys, that you want to trade. Not this mass, an impulsive wave which is fast and sharp. When retail traders were going for this buy here, and especially after this pin bar, we were waiting this down wave to go for this up move. And this is exactly what market did. So try to learn and take advantage of what we are trying to share with you and the advices and tips that we share here and on Sunday sessions. Pound Oz for this one, market went in, it gave us a corrective structure upwards, and now we are at the same level. What next? For this one, guys, we can see one more push down and then another up wave. Like I said, during our Sunday session, we shared the trades of the week. And not only this, Sunday sessions are usually 2 to 3 hours live, and you will have access to recordings for 7 days. So if you cannot attend it live, you can watch the recording. So if you are willing to join, do not join only for the trades of the week. A lot more pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies are covered during those sessions. So give it a try, and if you do not like it, you can cancel anytime. Silver for this one, this is basically investment. So what's happening here is a corrective structure. If this will spend more time here, market will be going up again. Those who are investing, you must be already in profits. And those who are trading silver, we can see it going up after the completion of this corrective structure. After this up wave, another down move, another up wave. If this performs in this way, we will update you what next. Bitcoin for this one, we've got this drop, corrective structure, another down wave. Another corrective structure, another drop. And now we are going up. What next? We are expecting this one to go more up. At the moment, we can see it at 60 levels, and we'll update you later on. We've got few emails, guys, that some of our followers, they took profits at 62 and they bought it back at 48. This is amazing. Now is the time for the Forex trading tip. Forex trading is not about making money from one single trade. It's about making money on a consistent basis. Try to understand this, guys, and work on it. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.